left-handed. I was like, here we go. It was like this.
She knows how to play the food ball.
I thought I had that with the beginning. I didn't have a choice. Yeah. Oh, you touched it. Almost fell down. Saw that. Oh, sorry. Yeah. I couldn't see it all, so. Oh, I bit my lip again. Oh. I donked the shit out of that. I totally missed that.
Oh yeah.
You should have seen it from this angle.
I know. I hope my phone's not dead.
I should have been there.
No, that was all.
Let me get it. My phone down. I was laughing.
Oh, that would have been so funny. I started laughing harder and harder, dude.
We're all ready for that shit.
I couldn't anymore. I couldn't do it. We're rallying for sure. I knew what Katie was doing, so I was like, oh shit, I better get behind that.
Oh, he went way by it?
Left-handed and everything?
I may or may not need.
Oh, that would have been cute.
I hope I'm videoing this really well.
I don't know why.
I hope you're recording this.
I am.
I'm just old and my bones hurt.
He's gonna be too tired to play. Bend down to get it.
Well, he's tired and she's hurt, so it's...
You said back to me, but I thought I was going over. I'm sorry. It's okay.
I don't know what that was, but that was good.
Get the fuck out of my bubble, bitch!
I just saw the moon coming out.
Swear, that's all I had.
I failed. I heard you coming.
All you had to do was just bump into Katie and she would have got it over.
And that like rolled down your arm.
Oh shit! Sorry, Cody. I thought you were behind. No, I was gonna do it. I was gonna say.
That was okay, water!
Do you need to sign a waiver?
No.
Well, I was waiting
No.
for the guy to give me alcohol.
Don't bleed on me. I don't like that.
The fact that she jumped. No!